Шинэхэн видеогоор уулзж байгаа таатай байна. За тэгэхээр өнөөдрийнхөө видеогоор би нэгэн сонирхолтой дасгалыг бэлдсэн байгаа. Тэр нь юу вэ гэхээр эмэгтэйчүүдэд маань тулгардаг энэ гарын артлын унтсан махыг чангалах дасгалыг бэлтгэсэн байгаа. Хэрвээ та ийм асуудалтай бол бичлэгтэй ойртон суугаад дуустал нь үзээрэй. За тэгэхээр дасгалтаа орцгоё.
If I could write you a song and make you fall in love, I will already have you up under my arm. I used to ball of my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're brown, like you're cooler than me. And you never say hey or remember my name, and it's probably 'cause you think you're cooler than me, cooler than me. You got your high shoes on your feet, and you wear them around like they ain't shit. But you don't know the way that you look when the steps make that much noise. Shh, I got you all figured out. You need everyone's eyes just to feel seen behind your makeup. Nobody knows who you really are. Who do you think that you are?